Hello, now let us solve the problem. This integral seems complicated, but it can actually be done very easily if one can find the appropriate substitution. The substitution that I'm going to use is u equals to square root of 1 plus square root of x squared plus x plus 1. Okay, and then what I do, I raise both sides to power 2 before start differentiation. So this becomes u squared equals to 1 plus square root of x squared plus x plus 1. And now I start differentiation. The left hand side with respect to u, so it becomes 2u du. And the right hand side, the derivative of 1 is simply 0. And to calculate the derivative of this, I am using this formula, square root of, say, v is a function of x, and you want to differentiate it. So you know that the answer is v prime, the derivative of what is under the square root sign, divided by 2 times the square root of square root of v. Okay? So here, I want to give the role of v to x squared plus x plus 1, and I want to use this formula. So this becomes the derivative of v, which is simply 2x plus 1, divided by 2 square root of x squared plus x plus 1. And then, of course, dx. Now, let us look at our integral. So you see that this combination is very similar to the combination that is here in my integral. Yes, the only problem here is that I have a 2 here, but there are no 2's here in the denominator. But that is an extremely easy problem. So I just multiply everything on both sides of this equality by 2. Then I immediately get rid of this extra 2 that I don't need it. Okay, so I multiply both sides by 2. It becomes 4u du. And on the right hand side, I will have 2x plus 1 over square root of x squared plus x plus 1 and dx. Okay, so now if we go to this integral, so you see that this part is exactly what is here, which is 4u du. Yes, so this part is nothing except 4u du, and this part that you see here is just u itself. So I have to multiply it by another u here. So it means that this becomes 4u squared du. So the question mark that I am looking for is the integral of this expression. Okay, so the question mark then is integral, and 4 is a constant, so I pull it out, so it becomes integral of u squared u, and you know that integral of u squared when u itself is variable, so it is just 1/3 u to the power of 3 plus c, which if I write it more simply, it becomes 4/3 u to the power of 3 plus c. And you know that, of course, I have to switch back to my original variable x, so then becomes 4/3, and then I have a square root of, instead of u, I put the square root of 1 plus square root of x squared plus x plus 1, and then to the power of 3 plus c. So what I have done, I replace this u with this expression. And of course, if you want, you can just take this off and write the power of 1/2. Okay, so if you want to, you can continue and write it as 4/3, and then I have 1 plus square root of x squared plus x plus 1 to the power of 3/2 plus a constant c. So this is the final answer to this integral. Okay, so I hope that this video was useful for you. Until the next video, be safe and goodbye. Thank you.